Hi, Lucy.
Hello, Ryan. Tea, please. No, coffee.
Sure.
Yes, coffee.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
Hello, Lucy.
Oh, hi, Peter.
Sarah, this is my friend Lucy.
Nice to meet you, Lucy.
Nice to meet you too. I'm sorry, what's your name again?
It's Sarah. Sarah Chen.
Oh, hello, Mr. Linsky. How are you? Yes, I'm fine, thanks. Our meeting? It's with Mr. Leclerc and Mrs. Diderot. They're from France. No, we aren't in my office. We're in room 7. See you later. Ow! Ah!
I'm very sorry. Are you okay?
Yes, it's all right. I'm fine, thank you.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm here to fix a computer.
Ah, yes. It isn't this office, it's that office over there.
Later.
How's your hand, Lucy?
Oh, it's okay. But that idiot with his van,
Your computer's okay now?
Oh, how embarrassing.
Good morning, Lucy.
Morning, Olive. I'm sorry I'm late. This is for our meeting with Mr. Linsky, Olive.
Thank you, Lucy. Is that Mr. Linsky from Top Films?
Yes, it is.
Where is the meeting? Is it here?
No, it isn't. It's at their office in Cambridge. It's at 10:30 tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Later.
See you tomorrow in Cambridge, Lucy. And don't be late. This meeting is important.
Yes, Olive.
Oh, and Lucy, where are those photographs for Mr. Linsky? Are they at the photo shop?
Yes, they are. But it's okay. The photo shop is open till 7.
Hey, Lucy! We're off to the pub. Are you coming?
Oh, hi, Daniel. Sorry, but I can't.
Come on. It's my birthday.
Okay, but only for a few minutes.
Great.
Later.
Oh, it's 10 to 7. The photo shop. Oh, no. It's closed.
Morning, Lucy. How are you?
Oh, hi, Sarah. I'm fine, thanks. Where are you off to?
The sports centre.
Oh, right. Well, I'm going to the photo shop and then to a meeting in Cambridge.
Is that the photo shop next to the sports centre?
Oh, yes, it is. Would you like a lift?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now, where are my sunglasses?
The photo shop's open.
Yes, but there's nowhere to park.
Here's a space. But what's that? Oh, private. No parking.
Oh, it's only for a few minutes.
Okay, Raj, here we are.
Look, that car's in your parking space, Jordan.
Right, these are the photos for Mr. Linsky. But I'm late for the meeting and... Oh no! That van's behind my car! And where's the driver? Oh, it's 5 to 10 and the meeting starts at 10:30. What's this note? You're in my parking space, Jordan Morris. Oh, no. This is terrible. Excuse me, do you know this person, Jordan Morris?
Yes, I do. That's his van. Oh, are you in his parking space?
Yes, I am, but...
A lot of people do that. He doesn't like it. He parks his van behind their cars.
Yes, I know. But where is he?
Oh, he works in one of those offices over there.
Thank you.
5 minutes later.
Excuse me, are you Jordan? Oh, no, not you again.
Hi. Yes, it's me. The idiot with the van.
Well, yes, your van. It's behind my car.
Your car is in my parking space.
I'm sorry, but I'm in a hurry and I'm late for a meeting.
Okay. Now, where are my keys?
Later.
Oh, Olive, I'm sorry I'm late for the meeting, but...
The meeting is over, Lucy. Be in my office this afternoon at 3 o'clock.
Oh, no. I'm in trouble now.
Jordan works in London, but he doesn't live there. Every day he drives to work in his van, and every evening he drives home. He doesn't like it. He wants a flat in London.
Excuse me, do you know this place? York House? It's a block of flats.
Yes, I live near York House. It's in Park Road, over there.
Thanks.
Later.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Sure, go ahead.
Thanks. Oh, hello again.
I'm sorry, do I know you? Oh, yes, I remember. York House. So, do you like the flat?
Yes, I do. My name's Jordan.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Sarah. Oh, look. There's my friend, Lucy.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
No, I'm sorry. It's taken.
Lucy! There's a seat over here. Lucy, we've got a new neighbour. This is Jordan.
You?
Hello again.
Oh, do you know each other?
Look, I'm really sorry about the other day. Is your boss still angry with you?
No, it's okay. Anyway, she's on holiday this week.
Good. But can I take you to dinner? I want to say sorry.
Thank you. That would be nice.
What about Friday?
No, I can't come on Thursday or Friday this week. What about Wednesday?
Yes, okay. Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I do.
Good. We can try that new restaurant near the cinema, the Cherry Blossom. Is 7 o'clock okay for you?
Okay. 7 o'clock at the restaurant.
Wednesday morning.
Do you like football, Jordan?
Yes, I do. Why?
Well, I've got 2 tickets for the Champions League match this evening. Would you like to go?
Yes, great. Oh, but I've got a date with Lucy tonight.
Well, it's Chelsea and Real Madrid. A big match.
Oh, no.
Hello, Daniel.
Hi, Lucy. We've got tickets for the Zootons concert this evening, but Sasha can't come. Would you like to go?
It's 6:15 on Wednesday evening, and Jordan and Ryan are talking about the football match.
I want to come to the match, but Lucy is going to the restaurant. And now she isn't answering her phone.
We'll send her a text. Anyway, here's your ticket for the match. But remember, don't tell Cindy. See you later.
It's 6:30 on Wednesday evening, and Ryan is going to the match.
Bye. I'm going to Jordan's flat. He needs help with something.
But my mum and dad are coming. It's my mum's birthday.
It's okay. It won't be long.
It's 6:45. Lucy is leaving her office. Her friends are going to a rock concert. She isn't going with them. She's going to the Cherry Blossom restaurant. She's got a date with Jordan.
Bye. Have a nice time tonight. See you tomorrow. Oh dear. My phone isn't working.
It's 8 o'clock. Lucy is sitting in the restaurant, but Jordan isn't there. He's watching the football match with Ryan. Peter is watching the match too. He's watching it on TV.
Hey! Ryan and Jordan are at the match.
The day after the football match.
Look, I'm very sorry about dinner last night.
Don't talk to me, Jordan. I'm very angry with you.
But I
was at that restaurant for an hour. It was very embarrassing.
Yes, I'm very sorry, but
My friends were at a rock concert, but I wasn't. I was at the restaurant. Alone. Where were you?
Where was I? I was... Oh, look! Here's Peter.
Hi, and congratulations, Jordan.
What?
Well, you want to be a TV star, and you were on TV last night.
I'm sorry. I don't understand.
It's okay. I'm only joking. You were in the crowd at the football match.
You were at a football match? Well, that's it.
Lucy,
Excuse me, Jordan. Were you at the football match last night?
Yes, he was. He was with Ryan.
Ryan!
I'm just taking the dog for a walk, dear.
Lucy still isn't talking to me. She was at the coffee shop yesterday, but she left when she saw me.
Oh, dear. And Cindy's still angry with Ryan, too.
Yes, because you told Cindy.
Hey, it wasn't my fault.
Yes, you're right. It was Ryan's fault.
Come on, Jordan. You went to the match, too.
Yes, but I tried to phone Lucy, and I sent a text.
But her phone wasn't working.
Yes, but I didn't know that. So why is she angry?
Look, Lucy wanted to go to the rock concert with her friends, but she didn't go because she had a date with you. But you...
I went to the football match. Yes, Lucy was right. I am an idiot.
Maybe. Anyway, I must go.
Me too. I've got an audition for a play this afternoon.
Hi, Sarah.
Oh, hello, Peter. Hi, Jordan.
Are you going shopping?
Yes. I'm looking for a birthday card and a present for Lucy.
Really? When's her birthday?
It's next Thursday.
Sarah, you're wonderful. Mwah.
Here she is. She's coming out of the underground station now. Hi, Lucy.
Oh, hi, Sarah.
What's the matter?
Well, it's my birthday today.
Oops. Oh, yes. I'm sorry. I forgot.
Everybody forgot. I didn't get any cards, and nobody wanted to go to the pub after work. They all went home.
Oh, well, look. Come and have a drink at the coffee shop.
Okay.
Here we are. After you.
Thanks.